This is callAR, my hackathon project for the T-Mobile 5G hackathon. So what is callAR? Well, callAR is basically customer service through augmented reality, or AR. So how does callAR work? Well, callAR is a purely web-based solution. So it is only built using HTML5, CSS3, and JS. The libraries in JavaScript used are AR.js and aframe.js, which, although they are very good at what they do, there's still a lot of limitations that really prevent callAR from becoming that next step in customer support. So some of the limitations I found through experimenting are that .mov files are not supported, which ends up having the video files that play not have the green screen properly applied. Image tracking leaves a lot to be desired, especially with simple logos like the T-Mobile logo. Canvas items are not supported, which once again removes a solution to implementing a green screen effect for the video clips. And finally, live streaming content is much harder, and in fact, I have not found a way to do it yet. And so with these limitations in mind, let's try out this website. So there's a blurb here that gives a brief description and contact support. So the way it is currently set up is that you allow camera, and so you have these four options for customer support as you would for a normal website. My hand is over the marker because the camera recognizes it pretty fast. And so as you can see there is a huge black box and fuzz around me. And that is because, once again, .mov files are not supported. Only .mp4 files are. And so what that means is that I'm not able to really control the alpha levels, meaning that I cannot have a transparent background as I would have liked. And so I'll remove my hand, and now we can see another small annoyance is that once the video ends, I kind of just stand there awkwardly. I would like to implement perhaps an idle animation, but if you're going through the menus, it'll play different clips. And a great thing about AR.js is that it's very lightweight, and you can run this on your mobile device. And so if I click on the options, I will say different things, and different links will appear. So this is essentially this will go to a T-Mobile website. So I think that's pretty neat. But what's really great is that because this AR.js is very lightweight, and you can run this on your mobile phone, it really completes the AR experience. And especially for many people with perhaps lower socioeconomic status, as they may not have a personal computer at home, but they almost certainly have a smartphone, especially in this era. And so what that means is that they can use any smartphone with a camera, load up the customer support website, and scan the either image, location, which is actually an option in AR.js, or the marker. And this marker can be placed anywhere. And so you can have it on the customer support website and in front of a retail store, for example. And so before a customer walks in, they can scan the marker or image and have a human appear virtually. And so for simple questions, the AR human can actually respond to those, answer those questions without having the user walk into the retail store and perhaps be a little bit more anxious about COVID. And having the image online, especially like the marker, means that anybody, even if they do not have the means of transportation or the nearest store is very far away, or perhaps they're on a trip overseas or in another country, they're still able to talk to a human through AR. And so this really does provide a universal experience to users who still want a near human interaction, but may not have the means to actually go to a store. And so this is just one example of the potential augmented reality or AR has. And so this is callAR, and thanks for watching.